Today, I am reviewing the Kogata Projector. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. First off, the content experience is unmatched. The Kogata Projector comes Netflix licensed, which means it includes the official Netflix app, along with Prime Video, YouTube, and over 200 additional streaming apps right out of the box. You don't need a Fire Stick, no Roku, no Chromecast. Everything is built in. And here's the real kicker. Since it's officially certified, you get access to exclusive Netflix content that isn't always available on third-party devices. That means a smoother, more premium streaming experience with Dolby and DTS audio built in for that full cinematic feel. Speaking of audio, let's talk sound. Unlike many projectors that have tinny or hollow speakers, this one features Dolby certified audio and DTS processing. What does that mean in practice? Crystal clear dialogue, immersive surround effects, and bass that actually feels deep without distortion. Whether you're watching a blockbuster, binging your favorite shows, or even listening to music, the audio performance will blow you away, especially when connected to external Bluetooth speakers for that extra punch. Now onto the visuals. And yes, the specs actually live up to the hype. This is a native 1080p projector, but here's the difference. It can fully decode true 4K content, thanks to the powerful MTK 9660 chip and 2 + 8 GB of onboard memory. That's not just marketing talk. This projector handles 4K HDR10+ content with ease, delivering stunning clarity, deep contrast, and rich, lifelike colors. Whether you're projecting a 60-inch image or going all the way up to a 300-inch cinematic display, the detail stays sharp. And here's where things get smart, literally. The projector features full-angle autofocus and 6D Keystone correction. So if you've ever struggled with tilted images, blurry corners, or setup nightmares, those days are over. This projector detects screen edges, autofocuses in seconds, and even avoids obstacles to give you a perfect rectangular image without any manual adjustments. You also get 100% to 50% zoom functionality, so you can resize the screen without moving the projector an inch. The connectivity is future-proof as well. It comes equipped with Wi-Fi 6, ensuring smooth 4K streaming with zero lag or buffering. That's a major upgrade over traditional Wi-Fi 5 projectors. And if you're mirroring your phone or tablet, the speed difference is instantly noticeable. Want to hook up external audio? You'll love the dual Bluetooth 5.2 channels, which also let you turn the projector into a standalone Bluetooth speaker. That's right, you don't even need to project anything. Just connect your phone and enjoy premium sound for music or podcasts. This isn't just a home theater tool, it's also a productivity machine. It supports Microsoft Office applications like PowerPoint and Excel, making it ideal for small business meetings, classrooms, or training sessions. So whether you're working by day and watching movies by night, this projector handles it all with style and efficiency. And as a bonus, the Kogata GC357 is ultra-portable. It's compact enough for travel, powerful enough for outdoor use, and durable enough to last through marathon movie nights. It's perfect for backyard setups, Airbnb hosts, college dorms, or anyone short on space but big on entertainment. In terms of customer care, Kogata doesn't hold back. You get a 3-year warranty, 1-year free replacement, and lifetime tech support. Plus, if you ever need help, they provide 24-hour after-sales support right here in the US, which is rare at this price point. Before we wrap up, here's a quick heads up. Like most projectors, it can't mirror Netflix directly from your phone due to HDCP restrictions. But since Netflix is built in, you won't even need to try. Just fire up the app on the projector itself, and you're good to go.